They're about to go nuclear. How long do we have? They're 2 weeks away. How 2 weeks away are they? Even more 2 weeks away than they were 5 years ago. My God! That's dangerous levels of 2 weeks away. I know. Son, if anything happens to me, continue my work. We're only 2 weeks away. I will continue, inshallah. Now I'll go to where no one can find me. My office on the 3rd floor, right by that really big window. Vengeance! Sir, if we attack, they will close the Strait of Hormuz. They don't have the balls to close the Strait of Hormuz. They just closed the Strait of Hormuz. And oil is now over $100 a barrel. Please keep me out of this. No one likes this war. And I want to be president one day.
You're the most powerful military in the world. You send your own boats.
That was a test. Ha! You fell right into my trap. Sometimes the best reason for war is no reason at all.
एक बिच्छू ने मेंढक से कहा, भाई मुझे अपनी पीठ पर बैठाकर नदी पार करा दे। मेंढक डर गया, उसे लगा ये डंक मार देगा। बिच्छू बोला, अगर मैं तुम्हें डंक मारूंगा तो मैं भी डूब जाऊंगा। मेंढक को बात सही लगी और उसने उसे अपनी पीठ पर बैठा लिया। दोनों नदी पार करने लगे, लेकिन बीच नदी में पहुंचते ही बिच्छू ने जहरीला डंक मार दिया। मेंढक सुन्न पड़ गया। डूबते डूबते उसने पूछा, क्यों किया ऐसा? बिच्छू बोला, माफ करना, ये मेरी फितरत है। यही होता है स्वभाव का खेल, कुछ लोग कभी नहीं बदलते। बिच्छू जानता था कि अगर वो डंक मारेगा तो वो खुद भी डूब जाएगा, फिर भी वो अपने जहरीले स्वभाव को नहीं रोक पाया। और हम सोचते हैं कि हमारी अच्छाई किसी गलत इंसान को बदल देगी, लेकिन सच ये है हम उसे बस मौका देते हैं हमें चोट पहुंचाने का। याद रखना, कभी बिच्छू जैसे इंसान पर भरोसा मत करना, चाहे उसकी बातें कितनी भी मीठी क्यों ना हो।
Target Jewish students, your actions will not disappear into the darkness. We will shine a light on you that, thanks to Google and SEO, will follow you for the rest of your life. When you look for a job, when you look for a spouse, when you look for a nanny, when you look for anything, our work will always be documented, again thanks to Google and SEO. In corporations where DEI leaders smeared Israel, excused Hamas, we pressured CEOs. Some resigned, many were terminated, but policies were changed, thankfully, from governmental to art institutions. Online, where anonymous accounts spread violent threats, we traced patterns, elevated evidence, and worked with authorities, leading to arrests from Florida, South Carolina, New York, California, and Texas. And we're not slowing down, sadly. Today, Stop Anti-Semitism, I'm proud to say, runs one of the most robust anti-Semitic enforcement operations in the United States, monitoring campuses, digital networks, activist groups, and public officials, documenting incidents in real time and mobilizing millions of people, of allies that are quietly by our side. But the fight is bigger than the exposure, and it's about securing a future where Jewish students can walk across a quad without being screamed at, a future where employers understand that anti-Semitism is not activism, it's bigotry, and it will cause you to lose your job.